I created a Duolingo-inspired tutorial using Rise 360. The way it differs from Storyline is it offers templated solutions and also responsive design and continuous scroll. So I created a mascot, and this is Cross. And as you go down, you can see what you will learn, and Module 1 begins with a multiple choice answer. Now we're into the scenario training. This offers multiple avatars that have different reactions based on what the answers are. And they offer business, professional, and casual, and all different types of reactions as well, from excited to angry. I love it. And now we're on Module 3. And this is a labeled graphic, and when you click the markers, it will reveal the information of what this is called in French. So the learner will click.
Le vin.
And then it does the same with le fromage and une salade. This is just visual, so then you say wine in French is what? Let's say I type vin, and the answer was le vin. I've created additional acceptable responses. 4 is going to be an audio clip that is paired with an interactive tab and personified with the mascot. So
say it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
5, 10, 8. Or try it again if you offer that solution. You're on a roll. Little dad joke to go with the croissant. Here we're going to use audio, and we're going to pair it with flashcards so that there's some interactivity that will reveal the English word as well as they're hearing how it sounds.
Say it with me. Bonjour. Merci.
And you can offer a download and also a preview of next week's lesson. And this is custom content that I imported. This is a survey solution. It's actually a stacked button template. It gives them actionable next steps on what to do based on where they're at in the training. Félicitations! So then you have some positive feedback, encouraging them, and this continue button can go to the next module, or you can lock it until they're done all of the modules above. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you're looking to create engaging learning experiences, either in education or corporate, get in touch.